I just installed a loksound decoder with their speaker and an athearn Genesis. And it's got a keep alive already built into them, which I really like. Less than $100. Look at that, going across the switches. Speeds up 7. I really like loksound. My wife got me the sound decoder for my birthday. Thing's so sweet. Alright, tell me what you guys think about loksound. I really like it. It's a 21 drop-in decoder, and all I do is solder wires for the speakers. It's pretty simple. I was going to do a video, but the lighting wasn't too good. Alright, I'll see ya.